So today we have a little bit of a different setup, and that's because we're going to be learning how to make a tanmut. A tanmut is the round basket or the yarn basket, as you can see from the materials that you have gotten. So we're just going to go over the terms really quick, and then we'll get started on our basket weaving. So like I said, this little basket that we're going to be making is a tanmut. Tanmut is a little round basket, so tanmut, okay? And the strings that you have gotten, the yarn in your packets, these are called the vlugminten. Vlugminten is what we use. In the old school days, I would have used like grasses and hemp and cedar and all kinds of other stuff to put together the basket. So this is the vlugminten. Mine's a little different from your guys's, but this is the vlugminten too. So vlugminten and vlugminten. Vlugminten is the yarn. So we're gonna start off with our vlugminten. So what you guys are going to do is you're gonna take your string and then you're gonna get the two ends right here. You're gonna put them together like this. And then you're gonna fold this in half. So this one's a little easier since I already pre-folded it. But you're gonna fold it in half like this. And here is the loop that you're gonna get. So when you get to your loop, you're gonna put your end together in your loop. You're gonna fold it again. You're gonna fold it in half. Like so. So once you have it folded in half, you can let this side go. So those side with the single loop and then two ends. So you can let that one go, and you're just gonna keep this one with the loop. So that you can see there's a little double loop right here, sort of. So you're gonna take that, and you're just gonna do a little loose knot, like so. This is just to keep your place for your loop, just so you know like where it's at, so you can come out nice and even when you're weaving your basket. So after that, you're gonna take your twine from your baskets and you're gonna split them in half. So there should be 16 in each of your packets. So put 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's 8. I'm gonna lay this down horizontally like this, just so it's nice and straight and pretty. And then I'm gonna take the other 8 like this, make them all nice and even, well, as much as I can. And then once I have all of those, you're gonna put them down on top like this. So you have like kind of a T shape going on right now. So I brought you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see the next step. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your string and you're gonna untie your loop like so. And then afterwards, you're gonna put your fingers through the loop like this. So it looks like this, okay? So just for practice, so when you're weaving, you're gonna twist down like this. So there's like a little slit right here. So so you're gonna take your loop, your fingers are still in between, and you're gonna put it through the top part like this. Okay, so this is what you should look like after you put your loop through. So the next step is you're gonna put your fingers through the loop again like this, and you're gonna twist down. When you twist down, then you're just gonna go to the next one like so. Just tighten it a little bit, and then you're gonna twist down again. And then you're just gonna go through all the other ones like so. Put it through the loop, tighten it, twist down, and then go to the next one. tighten it, twist down, and right here you're back at the beginning. This is what it should look like. There's a little box on top, so just look at it like that. And so after you get back to the starting point right here, you're gonna keep going for another 4 times. So okay guys, so now we're back at the beginning. So as you can see, the box got a little bit thicker on both sides. So now after you get done with going around your 4 times, you're gonna take your string like this and divide it into 4s. So you're gonna split it in half. So you have 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. So you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna twist and go through those 4. Okay. Tighten it a little bit, twist, go through your next 4, twist, and then separate the next one into 4s as well. So there's your 4, twist, keep going, and just do that with the rest of the croque-mitaine. The rest of the string, twist and go. So for this next part, for your 4s, you're gonna go around 4 times as well, just so your basket can start spreading a little bit and like taking its shape, and hopefully it will, or like as you keep going, you're gonna just see it spreading. Just gonna keep going, keep weaving. Okay, so this is what your basket should look like after your 4 times. As you can see, the circle did start getting bigger, so it's like that. So the next part is you're gonna, like you did with the 4, so you're just gonna split it again into 2s. So split it into 2s. You're just gonna keep going. For my 2s, I like to just go around like maybe 2 times, just cause like there is double thread, so your spacing is gonna get a little bit like bigger, faster. So, okay, that was pretty quick. So I went around my 2 times, and now you're gonna separate them into singles. So you go to your 2s, and then you go to your 1s. So after you go to your 1s, you're just gonna keep weaving until you reach a good amount of, or until you reach the desired height, I guess you could say. So just gonna keep weaving into our 1s until the end of our basket. Here is what my 1s look like. We're just gonna cut the shot real quick, and then I'll come back when I have to change the thread, and I can show you how to change the thread and then finish the basket. So be right back. Alrighty, so I got to the end and I cut off the little pieces. So this is how much I have left for the string. So when you take your other string, you're just gonna do the same steps that we did in the beginning. You can just go with the single loop like this and keep weaving like that, or you can double loop it like we did the first time. I'm gonna double loop it just because this one's a little bit skinnier than the last string. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this string and you're gonna put it in the back, and then you're gonna take your string, put your fingers through, take the next string and you're just gonna loop it through like this, and you're just gonna take the loose string too. So when you do this, it'll just kind of get woven into your basket. You won't really see it. You can just leave it or whatnot, but I just like this because it comes out nice. So after that, you don't have to do anything, just keep weaving. And cool too, when you change your string, it kind of like makes little designs. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but the blue and the yellow looks really nice. Okay guys, so this is what the basket looks like. Just went ahead and finished it a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys how to top this basket off. So first you just want to leave a good amount of string left on top, just so you don't have to worry about it coming undone while you're finishing the top. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna finish off, so you're gonna twist. And so with this one, you're gonna have these two strings, right? So you're gonna cross one over the front and then tuck it behind. So it's like this. You're just gonna pull down in the back. So it's like this. And then you're gonna do your same thing, twist, and then you're gonna go to the next one. So cross it over in the front, put it in the back, pull it down so it's nice and tight, and then you're gonna twist. So you're just gonna do this for all of your strings. Go to the front, put it in the back, pull it down, and then twist. Okay, so we are at our last two strings, as you can see. So you're gonna do the same thing, cross it over, put it down, and then tighten this part just real quick. And then this is the tricky part too. So you're just gonna pretty much just loop it down so it just stays like that. And then you're gonna get your yarn and just tie a knot at the end. So just tie a knot. Okay, so there's my knot. So just gonna tighten it, make sure it's nice and good, and then cut off the excess right here. Double knot it just so it'll stay there. Maybe triple knot it if it's totally up to you, and then trim off the excess, and that's how you do the top. And as you can see, there are some imperfections, so that's okay. If there's like little lumps or they're not even, you could always go and pull down the string like this, and then you could cut off these parts right here, just not a whole lot, just enough so it'll keep your edging, and then you could put a top on it, and I'll show you the top afterwards.